Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert open book symbol in Microsoft Excel. This is very easily. Select your cells, go to insert menu, click symbol, we find wingdings, 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 wingdings. We can see wingdings. Click here. Find open book symbol. Click here. Then insert. Close. Center. Increase size. Double click. Select book size. I select this size. Then change your color. Simply I select red. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.